there, I'm Tomas Michaud. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a great exercise to get you up and running with your guitar tremolo technique. We'll head over to my guitar studio. Let's do this. For this exercise, we're combining an E minor scale along with a tremolo technique. Now, this technique's not terribly difficult at a slow speed, but if you can get it going faster, it sounds really good, but takes a little more practice. That's fun. Now, we're going to start off with just getting that scale. So the scale looks like this. Here's the note you're playing. That's an E note. It's the same as the high E, but we need another one to do the tremolo thing. E, going down the scale. First fret, open. Now over to the third string, second fret, open. Pinky on the fourth string, fourth fret. And by the way, you could use your third finger. I'm keeping my pinky because out of habit, I might need my first finger, but in this case, you don't actually need the first finger. So either one. Now we're going to the E on the fourth string. That's an E note, actually. That's the second fret. Open. We'll keep going. We're doing another octave. Third finger, fifth string, second fret, open, third finger, second finger, and all the way down to that low E. That's one reason I like this scale. It really uses all the notes on the guitar from the lowest note up to a reasonably high note. You could go all the way up to here. Another E, but we're not today. Now, let's just finger that scale and we'll come to that tremolo technique. Start with your third finger on the second string, fifth fret. Go ahead and play it. Okay, not bad. Down. You could either slide down to the third finger, which is what I think I'll do, but you could use your first finger and then slide that down. I'd say it's 6 of one, half dozen of another. Okay, together. Fifth string, fifth fret. You knew that, huh? Third fret, first fret, I'm using first finger, open. Okay, going down, third string, second fret. You want to use your second finger here. Open. I'm going to use pinky. That's what I'm used to. Feel free to use your third finger. And second fret. So that was fourth fret, second fret, open. Third fret, second fret, open. Now onto the sixth string, third fret, second fret, and open. You now know the E minor scale in 2 octaves. Now let's add a tremolo. You ready for this? I'm hoping you are. We're going to use the thumb on the note that you're playing for the scale note, and then the 3 other fingers. You don't have to have nails for this one. It's a little different sound. I do have nails, so the sound is crisper and bites. But without nails, it's just softer. On a steel string, that might even be preferable. On a nylon string, when I do it, I want the nails because the nylon strings are not very bright anyway, so I need to get them crisp and sharp. So we're going to start with the third finger, then go to the second finger and the first finger. Start with 3, 2, 1. And then start over, 3, 2, 1. Just try that with me, get the feel. First string, start with 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. A little faster, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Couple of tips. I'm kind of letting my hand hang here. I'm not clenching like this. That'll get hard after a while and create even more tension that'll be a habit. Just let your hand hang and let your fingers just kind of pull into your palm. The other thing is you don't want to yank away too much. You want to stay the best you can kind of close to the strings without pushing it. I'm a relaxed close to the strings. If they bounce a little bit, that's okay, but go for minimum bounce. So practice this with me a little bit. First string, go. Third finger, second, first, third. Come on. After a while, it just kind of goes by itself. For now, go as slow as you need to go. So let's try adding that melody note, we'll call it, the scale note. Start with the third finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, so we're going to hit that with the thumb. then third, second, first. And let's do it 2 times in a row. Here we go. Ready, go. Thumb, third finger, second finger, first finger. Let's do it again. Thumb, third finger, second finger, first finger. Now we'll go down, I'll do the third finger, third fret, and do the same thing. Thumb, okay, third finger, second, first, third, and first finger, or I should say first fret, and now the open second string. Second finger on the third string, go. Open. Okay, we're going to do the fourth fret. I'll use my third finger, see how that feels. Go. Again. And the second fret. That's 1 octave. That's E. Keep going, open. Sounds a little ominous, huh? Third fret. Kind of like a scary movie. Second fret. Open. Now. Third fret, 6th string. Second fret. And open. Keep going. Don't stop now. We're going to do the second fret again. Going up. Not too far, don't worry. Third fret. Back down now, second fret. And let's end with a nice low E string. Nice work. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. And leave me a comment, good or bad. I just want to know what you're thinking. This exercise is one of 20 new lessons that my students receive every month as part of my Real Guitar Success guitar training program, along with play-along tracks and the tab. If you'd like to learn more, head over to realguitarsuccess.com or click the link down below. Bye for now.